Having high, my friends. Today we're going to be reviewing the D.Powerline-415. I like to shoot nothing but the Hornady Black Diamond BBs. They are a little bit more expensive, but they are well worth it. This channel kind of specializes in the cheaper Walmart guns, but effective. This is the 415. It's an absolute beast. I bought it about 8 months ago, and it holds a CO2 well. I put a CO2 in it, I think 2 days ago. I only shot a few rounds, and I'm going to show you just how hardcore it still shoots. It says 495 feet per second on the box. I think it shoots a little bit closer to 460. So for the first trial we're going to give the 415 is going to be against Play-Doh. We are going to point blank shoot some Play-Doh. Sorry. Safety glasses on. I'll give one point blank. Oh yeah. Those two didn't go through. Let's see, maybe about 10 inches away. Still went in. I'll take that apart later to show you exactly what it did. And now quick point blank against this metal. Good spot. The Play-Doh there, that's actually 2 Play-Dohs in one. It's like a Play-Doh and a half to fill it up. There's too much space in the bottle. Give you a good idea. Safety. Ooh, that one just bounced off. Usually it goes right through this tin, so let's find out. That one bounced off. I think I'm losing power. Let's see. Oh, no, that one went in. Let's see, let's try this metal. Try this, right? Right in. Let's see, about 30 inches away. Oh, yeah. Again. D.Powerline-415, just under 30 bucks. That was ridiculously fun. I mean, I'm always satisfied with the 415. Yeah, that looks like those went pretty deep. Getting lost in the Play-Doh here. Sorry, I should know what I'm doing. Alright, I probably should do this before I started filming. I've discovered one there as I was ripping it out, so I'd say it went a good halfway through. So that, think about that with the power it takes to penetrate the cover. Yeah, that's pretty dangerous.